Regular physical activity offers a plethora of benefits for physical health, encompassing improved cardiovascular health, strengthened muscles and bones, effective weight management, enhanced immune system function, and better sleep quality. Engaging in exercises such as brisk walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling can significantly boost cardiovascular health by enhancing heart and lung function, improving circulation, and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases like heart attack and stroke. Furthermore, consistent exercise routines contribute to the development of stronger muscles and bones, which not only enhances overall strength and endurance but also reduces the risk of osteoporosis and fractures, particularly as we age. Exercise plays a crucial role in weight management by burning calories, increasing metabolism, and promoting fat loss while preserving lean muscle mass. Additionally, physical activity stimulates the immune system, making it more adept at fighting off infections and diseases. Lastly, regular exercise has been shown to promote better sleep quality by regulating sleep patterns, reducing stress and anxiety levels, and promoting relaxation, ultimately leading to more restorative and rejuvenating sleep. Exercise is not only beneficial for physical health but also plays a vital role in promoting mental well-being. Regular physical activity has been linked to a multitude of mental health benefits, including reduced stress and anxiety levels. When we exercise, our bodies release endorphins, neurotransmitters that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators, leading to enhanced mood and feelings of happiness and well-being. Moreover, consistent exercise has been shown to improve cognitive function and memory by promoting neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections and adapt to new challenges. Engaging in physical activity also reduces the risk of depression by increasing the production of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters associated with mood regulation and pleasure. Furthermore, exercise boosts self-esteem and confidence through a sense of accomplishment, mastery, and physical self-improvement. As individuals achieve their fitness goals and experience the physical and mental benefits of exercise, they often develop a more positive self-image and greater confidence in their abilities, leading to overall improved mental well-being. Regular exercise is a powerful tool for promoting longevity and preventing chronic diseases. By engaging in physical activity, individuals can significantly reduce their risk of developing conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Exercise helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels, cholesterol levels, and blood pressure, all of which are crucial factors in preventing these diseases. Additionally, exercise promotes improved blood circulation throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to cells while removing waste products. This enhanced circulation supports overall cardiovascular health and function. Regular physical activity also contributes to lower blood pressure, reducing the strain on the heart and decreasing the risk of hypertension and related complications. Furthermore, exercise boosts metabolism, helping individuals maintain a healthy weight and reducing the risk of obesity-related diseases. Moreover, exercise has been associated with a slower aging process, both internally and externally. It can help preserve muscle mass, bone density, and cognitive function, promoting vitality and quality of life as individuals age. Engaging in exercise offers more than just physical benefits. It also provides numerous social advantages. Firstly, exercise provides opportunities for social interaction and connection, whether it's joining a sports team, attending fitness classes, or simply walking with a friend. These interactions can help combat feelings of loneliness and isolation, promoting overall well-being. Group exercise, in particular, fosters a sense of community and belonging. Sharing the workout experience with others creates a supportive environment where individuals encourage and motivate each other to reach their fitness goals. Moreover, Participating in group activities allows individuals to share common goals and celebrate achievements together. This shared sense of accomplishment strengthens bonds and reinforces commitment to personal fitness journeys. Exercising with others also increases accountability and motivation. Knowing that others are counting on you to show up can be a powerful incentive to stick to your fitness routine and push yourself harder. Additionally, group fitness settings provide networking opportunities, allowing individuals to connect with like-minded individuals and potentially form friendships or professional relationships beyond the gym or exercise class. Regular exercise contributes significantly to overall quality of life by enhancing various aspects of physical and mental well-being. Firstly, it boosts energy levels and vitality, leaving individuals feeling more alert, focused, and capable of tackling daily tasks with vigor. Moreover, exercise improves flexibility and mobility by stretching and strengthening muscles, ligaments, and tendons, reducing the risk of injury and enhancing range of motion. Furthermore, engaging in physical activity promotes better posture and balance, which are crucial for preventing falls and maintaining mobility, especially as individuals age. Exercise also enhances the ability to perform daily tasks and activities by improving strength, endurance, and coordination, making activities such as carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or playing with children easier and more enjoyable. Finally, regular exercise contributes to a greater overall sense of well-being and fulfillment by reducing stress, increasing self-confidence, and fostering a positive outlook on life. The sense of accomplishment and satisfaction that comes with achieving fitness goals further enhances one's quality of life, leading to a happier and more fulfilling existence.